Hello, friends. Today I am sharing a 75 soft challenge tracker that is designed to keep you motivated, consistent, and growing in a way that feels gentle and enjoyable. You simply start by filling in the gray cells, add your 6 habits, choose an emoji for each one, and select your start date. After that, all you do is check your boxes daily. You can even add a personal quote or reminder in the top right corner, something that inspires you each time you open the sheet. The tracker automatically highlights today, shows which day you are on, and makes today's checkbox stand out so you never lose your place. Each habit has its own pie chart, and every completion percentage updates automatically, including your overall progress bar for the entire 75 days. This template is created to support you in showing up for yourself softly but consistently, so the transformation feels sustainable and aligned rather than overwhelming. In 4 weeks, you will feel it. In 8 weeks, you will see it. In 12 weeks, you will hear it. Unlock your potential, elevate your habits, and let the future version of you shine through a little more every day. The product link is in the description, and if this inspired you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more planners that support your goals and your growth. Happy planning!